Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
For regular cleaning, follow these 4 easy steps. Step 1. Put shoe tray or crumpled paper inside before cleaning. Step 2. Rub the surface with a clean bath towel. Step 3. Gently brush with a suede cleaning brush. Step 4. Protect the suede with a spray.
Let's help you make your mark.
Head to the pantry for some white vinegar. Pour a little bit onto a clean, dry cloth, and rub the vinegar into the stained suede. You want to dampen the suede, not soak it. Let the suede air dry, and then brush the spot to remove any lingering marks. 8 April 2020.
Take our lead.
Best suede cleaners to keep your shoes like new. Jason Mark Premium Shoe Cleaner. Angelus Easy Cleaner Kit. Pink Miracle Shoe Cleaner. Kiwi Suede and Nubuck Kit. Lincoln Easy Cleaner. Bickmore Suede and Nubuck Cleaner. Aged Leather Pros Cleaner, the 30th of September 2019.
Take our lead.
Ingredients: 99% isopropyl alcohol. A spray bottle. New scrub sponges, 1/2 a scrubbing pad. A soft brush, the bristles shouldn't be any harder than a toothbrush. A potato brush might work well too. A toothbrush for small spots. Clean dry rags. The 29th of January 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
If you don't have a suede brush, a clean nail brush or toothbrush will work just fine. Begin by using light strokes to brush the surface of the shoe to remove loose particles and grit. When brushing, remember to brush with the grain, aka, in the same direction the suede naturally sits. 23 April 2020.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Go for baking soda. You can try baking soda before vinegar or vice versa. This method is pretty easy since you are trying to get the baking soda to absorb the stain or oils. Brush the baking soda off with a dry cloth. Use the toothbrush to gently brush the suede.
Take our lead.
There is no real way to wash suede shoes. The closest you should come to using water to clean them is when it is mixed with vinegar or dishwashing soap. Washing suede shoes in a sink or bathtub is going to ruin them, as water will harm the suede in more ways than one.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.